Hi, so I just discovered this AI tool by Google. It's called Stitch. It's more like GPT, but for design. It has the Figma vibe where you can use like prototype stuff. It's currently in a beta mode, but I find it interesting and I want to show you some of the things I discovered about it. Let's get into it. So I already have a prompt that I want to feed it with. I said generate a food delivery web application with landing page, onboarding screen, and all of that. And let's see what it gives. So you can select the mobile or you can select the web. Let's try with the web first. Wait, we can see that it has the instructions like the landing page, onboarding screen, home screen, restaurant, and other stuff that you want to have, and other tracking and checkout. It says design the landing page and home screen to start with first. All right, so it will suggest a prompt for you based on the information that you feed it with, and it goes ahead to like give you a screen for that particular prompt. Right, we have something here. This is the restaurant application. What was the prompt again? Food delivery web application that we requested, and we have the design that we can work with. I feel this is cool, right? And another thing that you can zoom in, zoom out, check stuff. It has the pictures. Let me check the hand. Let me see the hand. Let me check the hand. Okay, that's cool. It's cool. The turkey. What is this? Okay. And this is the other page, the food dash app, more like the checkout and check it. If a full stack dev and backing in the front end, but you don't like have the design skills, you can use this for getting an idea of what the app you want to build will look like a visual perspective to what you're doing. And also, if a product manager, you can use this for prototyping. Things that you can do you can check, look at how it look like on the mobile. So I think it would take time to generate that for the mobile. And we have a mobile screen yet. This is how it looks on the mobile. And then you can as well edit. So if you click on the edit, add design in chat, so you can prompt it for that to say do other stuff, right? Do other stuff with this. Yep. So that's one. And the next thing you want to check out is adjust theme. Okay, you can adjust the theme. You can add the dark mode. Wow. Okay, let's apply dark mode. While we are waiting for the dark mode, let's explore this aspect. So this is also the part of the landing page, or more like the search page. You can search and have the items. You can zoom in, right? And you can copy the code. Wow, this is the code. Uses Tailwind behind the scene to like was the design. And one thing I think I like about this is that it's not giving that gradient vibe. You know, that gradient vibe. It's cool. Let's go back to check. Our dark mode is ready. Bro. And if you zoom in, you have this. And it has the code too available. Since we have that, we want to see what else can we do. Let's go back to our regular view. Let's go back to the light mode. Why is it switching? Why is it taking time to switch between light mode and anyway? If I have to apply to this, it's taking time to switch. By the time it's done, I'll figure that interesting. You can. I feel this is interesting and cool. I've done other promptings. I've checked it out before this video. So let me just show you this. This was an example. I checked this out. I'm like, okay, this is cool. Plus other stuff is like a fintech app. I try to come up with this. So I click on create variants. When you click on create variants, to create different variants for the particular screen. Pretty cool. The other thing is that you can as well copy the code. Let's go back to the first design that we did. Just showing different screens. I'll be playing around with it. So let's get this. Let's get the code. This is what it looks like with the code. So let's copy this. Saved. So if we refresh, this is it on the browser. So this is on the browser, this is the design, this is the code. Go ahead to check the responsiveness. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? If I ask you what you think. Let's get to this aspect. So it says Stitch can make mistakes, please check its work. Like most design power tools and more like this. So quite helpful if you're a product designer, like I mentioned. You can use this for prototyping. If you are a full stack dev, you can use this to get the visual aspect of what your project will look like. And even if you're a product designer, I don't know, you can do something with this. I don't know. Yeah, but it's cool. So what do you think about it? Let me know. There is Stitch, once again, stitch.withgoogle.com. Cheers, and if you like this type of video, follow, subscribe, right? Cheers.